Hey! You're not Supergirl! You're just some chick throwing Superman punches in a costume!
You can tell by the way she walks that she's my girl. You can tell by the way she talks, she rules her words. You can see in her eyes that no one is her chain. She's my girl, my super. And Supergirls don't cry. And then she say, it's alright, I got home late last night, but I'm a Supergirl. And Supergirls just fly. Nothing can go wrong when you're in love. What can go wrong? And then she loved the nighttime into day, pushing her fear further along.
Second, let me catch my breath. Remind me how it feels to hear your voice. Your lips are moving, I can hear a thing. Living life as as if we had a choice. Anywhere, anytime, I would do anything for you. Anything for you. Yesterday got away, melodies stuck inside your head. I sung in every breath. Sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep. Oh, just sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep. Remember me, no time cannot erase. I can hear your whispers in my mind. I've become what you cannot embrace. Our memory will be my lullaby. Sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep. Oh, just sing me sleep now. Sing me sleep.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're falling like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Help me.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking too much.
Help me.
I've been thinking too
I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking too much.
Help me.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking too much.
I've been thinking